Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to use the Brother P-Touch H200 label and ribbon printer to make these awesome, quirky wedding invites. We've got here the couple's name, the couple's wedding date, and inside we filled it with some confetti and some wedding information, and then you can go from there. The great thing about that is you can also use these little bags as favour bags at the end. Then you replace the Sophie and Tom with Mr. and Mrs. Martin and a thank you on the side. And I think that's a really nice way to bring together your wedding under one theme in a really lovely personalised way. So we're going to use the P-Touch craft today to make our ribbons, and you're going to need some little bags like these hearts, some confetti. You can also add dried rose petals, and of course you'll have to make just a printable with your information about the wedding itself. So let's get started and take a look how to make our personalised ribbon. So to make your personalised ribbon, you will need to obviously turn your P-Touch craft on. Now we're going to use the function over here, which has the ribbon maker. Oh, you can already see it's come up, but if you need to scroll through, these are the three options, and we're going to pick ribbons and click on OK. Now there's different layouts in the ribbon maker, so you can have continuous writing, you can have just the same writing on either end, or the one we're going to pick today is different writings on either end of the ribbon, which allows you to add a name and the date for your couple. So click OK, and it's going to ask you to input text 1. So I'm going to make a couple of spaces just so I can trim the ribbon at the end, and then I'm going to add Sophie and Tom. There we go. Press OK. Then we're going to add the date, which is the 12th of August 2018. Nope. And then you click OK, and it's going to ask you to set the length. Now this is the default length for sort of an average size ribbon. I've measured it out already. I think the perfect length is basically 530 millimeters per ribbon, which I think is a really handy one. And then you press OK. And now it asks you to print, and I'll say OK again, and it asks you how many copies. Now I'm going to print off three, because I've got the 3 bags here, but you know, you might want 20, 30, whatever, 100, and you can actually just keep it going with the thread, but obviously make sure you've got enough cartridge inside. So I'm going to do 3 today because it's super handy. I'm going to press OK, and it's going to start printing. So you can see it coming out here. Oh, doesn't that look lovely? And I'm just going to let that print out, and then we'll come back to it and finish off our little bags. So we've printed off the 3 sets. I'm going to just press the handy little cutting button, cut it, and I'm going to just cut off one of the ribbons, because obviously we don't need all 3 at the same time. Now you can see little tiny little dots. They help you guide you where you need to cut. There, you know, you've had that ribbon. And now we're going to fill our little bag with well, actually I'm going to first put in the invite, like so. Fold it up nicely. I'm going to put it in half. Put it into my little bag. Let's use that one today. Like so. Add a nice handful, maybe loosen it up, nice handful of confetti so they can use this at the actual wedding, nice and squished. And then you get your ribbon, face down. So you've got a Sophie and Tom this side and the date on that side. Put it around the back, like so. And basically tie your ribbon. Here we go. There you have it. Oops, tuck that a bit too long. There you have it. Then I get my little scissors, Just give it a tiny trim like so, and a tiny trim like this. And that's how easy it is to personalize your wedding invites. Isn't that sweet? So do check out the rest of the channel. We have some more great DIYs and personalized makes for you to check out and take a look at. They're all really, really sweet, really lovely. It's an amazing tool, and hopefully you'll feel inspired, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.